In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the REGEXREPLACE function in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to clean up or modify text in your spreadsheet, this powerful tool can save you time and effort. Whether you're looking to replace specific characters, words, or patterns within your text data, understanding how to leverage this function can make your data management tasks significantly more efficient. Let's dive right in. The REGEXREPLACE function is a fantastic way to remove or replace regular expressions, also known as patterns, in your text cells. It's essentially a smarter find and replace operation that gives you more control over how you manipulate your data. To get started, the first thing we'll need to do is identify our text. This serves as the first parameter of the function. Here we can either input the text directly or use a cell reference, which is especially useful if the text could change over time or if you're handling large data sets. By referencing a cell, any updates made to that text will automatically be reflected when the function recalculates, which could be a real time saver. Moving on to the next parameter, we have the regular expression itself. This is where the magic happens. In our example today, we're going to replace dashes with commas. So I'll enter a dash surrounded by quotation marks. Remember, regular expressions are quite versatile and they can be much more complex, allowing you to match patterns rather than simple characters if needed. Finally, we reach the last parameter, the replacement. Here, it's where we specify what we want to replace the matched pattern with. In this case, since we're replacing dashes with commas, we'll enter a comma, again enclosed in quotation marks, to signify that the dashes will be swapped out for commas in our text. Once you've set up these parameters, you're ready for the moment of truth. Hit the Enter key and watch the function spring into action. Instantly, you'll see it working its magic as the dashes in your reference cell are replaced with commas, just as we specified. And that's all there is to it. By using the REGEXREPLACE function, you've now efficiently transformed your data. Remember, this function is incredibly versatile and can handle a wide variety of text manipulation tasks, so don't hesitate to experiment with different patterns to meet your specific needs. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're excited to start applying the REGEXREPLACE function in your own Google Sheets projects. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to improve your workflow. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.